Hi Surabhi, and I welcome you to the Trido Success Story session. And I'm really happy for you and happy to see you back because just a few days ago we had this one-on-one session and we guided you to handle the client and gave you a lot of tricks and hacks how you can do that. And you actually did that. And I'm so happy and I'm so proud that you were able to crack the client and close the client. And I'm sure you must be also feeling great. So let's just start with the session. And I want to ask you currently, how are you feeling after closing your first client?
Uh, I feel very happy and thanks. And this credit is goes to uh, you, Bhaskar sir, and all Trido community, all Trido team. Because without Bhaskar sir, I just ping a message to the Bhaskar sir. I am facing this particular issue. Within 1 or 2 minutes, he said that just give me 2 minutes. I will connect with the Urvi ma'am, and she will guide you how to uh, how to do the things. And when I get the check, that time I feel very happy.
So we are also very happy to hear this because I was also very eager, like what will happen with the client meeting. So I'm also very happy for you, and I'm amazed that in just 2 days of joining the PNC program, we got a success story, and you actually got your first client. That is even more surprising for me because getting the first client itself is a major deal. It's a big deal for a freelancer, and you have cracked the first step. So, before we start with the actual success story, I would like you to tell me a little bit of your backstory, like where you are from and what brought you to freelancing and your journey till here.
Hello, I'm Surabhi from Nagpur. In the 2017 to 2019, I do the IT. I do the IT work, and in the COVID, I started my freelancing journey because when the COVID started, I got my leg injured. So doctor told me that Surbhi, you didn't walk, you didn't dance, and you have do lots of surgery. But when the COVID is period, when COVID started, that time I'm very depressed. How can I manage expenses? How can I manage my medicines, other rents, and everything? So I started freelancing journey. At the initial, I go in the YouTube, search how to do the digital marketing and everything. I know the as I'm the computer engineer, so I know
Hmm.
the how to develop the website and everything. But how to pitch the client, how to analyze them, I don't know. I don't have any knowledge regarding that. So I joined the PNC system, and with the help of PNC system, I pitched the client right way, and how exactly we have to tell the client so that client get convert to us. This is my story, and Urvi ma'am, you told me how to do the pitching, presentation, and everything.
Yeah, thanks a lot. And it also means a lot to me, like I helped you and you actually did it. So the credit also goes to you and your efforts. So that's great to know. Now I would like to know exactly like uh, what was the client like. We would like to know the client's part, like this story. What you actually pitched to them. What was your service that you were offering? And what was the client's industry? And also, what's the transformation you were trying to pitch? Along
Okay.
with the pricing and all, like what did you tell them, like what you want to charge them, and how you handled it all, and how you
Okay.
also prepared for it.
Okay,
Okay.
so first of all, that particular client is from the finance background. So I when the as a Bhaskar sir connect with you. So when you do the means when that particular is session going on, that time we did the analysis of that particular client. So you help me in that how to analysis that particular finance background. Right now they are facing the this particular issue, and how to teach and present them. When I when I meet the client, that time I present my that time I present my pitch, and in that I tell them, right now you are facing and you are missing this particular point in your business. If you do this particular point, your revenue is going to 2x. You are doing offline very great, but that client is not present digitally. So their
Hmm.
biggest pain point is that they are doing very well in the offline marketing, but
Hmm.
they are
Okay.
losing the client in the online
Online
marketing.
marketing.
I tell them that digital marketing is very important. So if we do this particular strategy, so your revenue is going to 2x.
Hmm.
Simultaneously, I analysis their competitor. So I said them that both are actually that particular finance firm in the uh, that particular area. There are the two finances firm. One is present online and offline also, and the client which
Ah,
I close, that particular clients doing the offline marketing. So
offline.
I tell them, the this your competitor is doing this particular things, that's why you are not getting the client.
Hmm.
So I tell them, if you do this particular thing, so you will get the client. So
Hmm.
everything I told them, they said yes. But when the pricing point is come, that time they show me the quotation of the other agency. One of them is
Hmm.
starting giving the 10K, and other is going to tell them 60K.
Hmm.
So they asked me the question, why we choose you. So at that time I tell them, uh, so I provide you the better solution, and simultaneously, I am doing the, I am the specialized in the finance. I am specialized in
Industry.
the finance industry.
Finance
So
industry.
I understand your exact pain point, and simultaneously your competitor your competitor is doing the same. uh,
Same.
uh, your competitor is present online and offline, but you are not present but you are not present online. So this is a particular missing gap, and the
Hmm.
other company didn't know who are charging you 10K and 60K. This is the this is particular point that client hit, and they said me that,
Hmm.
Surbi, you are the right fit for me, and you can go. Because when I asked this particular question to them, like 10K agency and 60K who are charging them, so they didn't say anything. They are saying that we are the we are this industry from the 10 years and onwards. So that particular when I uh, tell them that your competitor is doing that, so that time he closed me, like.
Okay. So it's a very great analysis and a very nice thing to hear how you handle that basic question where most of the freelancers they fumble, which is the main question like why should we hire you? We have a lot of applications like 60,000 offer and 10,000 offer. Why should I go for this offer? So, and what was the price you charged and how much you actually closed the client on? That also I wanted to know.
Actually, price is the 25K, And in the 25K, 5,000 is the one time charge. But in that I also said them that 5,000 charges for the Google business page. And client said me that why you are charging for this much. So I tell them that see, right now Google business page policy is verification process is changing. If you doing from your own end, so it's take almost 1 month, or sometimes it is not verified.
Hmm.
I'm the expert in that, I can do this particular thing. So I provided them the 2,000 discount, and the client will close in the 23rd k.
Oh, great. So 23K for the first month, and after that 20K onwards. The
20K.
next month
Yeah.
onwards, it was 20K.
20K.
Okay, so really great. I remember we what we discussed that day was exactly this. Like I told you to stick on 20K and not go down below that. And I am very proud that you didn't. You closed the client at that pricing point itself. So that is
Actually, I
really nice to hear.
Uh, sorry to interrupt you, but when you said that you can go for the 18K, but when client are very instructing me, should be let's do for the 15K, 10K. So I said, sir, we can do that thing, but I will didn't provide you the landing page, Google business page, and this
Hmm.
thing. So he said, no, I don't. I want the whole thing. So I said,
Hmm.
I will go for the 20K, and I will
Ah.
I like this is the things, and simultaneously I created him for the 1 month content calendar. So he is very happy that before starting the actual work, he provide me the content calendar, each and everything. So he's very happy in that prospect also.
Oh, that's great. You answered the questions really well and you handled the situation in a very, like I would say, pro kind of a way. So, I would just like to know from you, what would you suggest? Is it worth it? Like, first of all, I would like to know from you, is the PNC system worth it or not?
100% is worth it, because of
Okay.
actually this credit is goes to you and Bhaskar sir, because without this is not possible.
Okay.
Thanks a lot.
You're most welcome, and we love to help out students who are really enthusiastic about working for themselves. Okay, if you don't take the action, if you wouldn't have worked a lot on this, and you also prepared the proposal and presentation, right? As I told you, as I taught you in the session, you actually did that, and because of that, you got the client. So you actually after the one-on-one also you worked on the plan that I told you. Okay, so the credit is shared. Okay, it's a shared effort. So, just the last question I would like to know, what is your advice to the people who are just thinking about enrolling to the PNC mentorship program, and what would you like to say to them?
I said them, please join the program, because you will get the lot of things. Because at the first day, I got the one-to-one session with the Urvi ma'am, like you, and sometimes freelancers are very stuck in the how to analyze the client, how to tell the things, how to do the pricing,
Hmm.
uh, how to do the pricing. And I will tell the I will tell the all freelancer, uh, please join the PNC, you will get the result, and your investment is this is the worthwhile investment. So
Yeah,
everyone
because
will
yeah,
join a PNC program.
yeah, thanks a lot for actually honestly recommending this session, as we know that you recovered more than the amount that you invested, right, in the
Yes.
session. So it's I we also suggest them that this is the ultimate thing you should do, and I'm very happy for you and your journey. I would like to see you close more clients now, because already you have done the bigger step, which is the getting the first client. And I wish you the best for your next coming up client meetings, and also work very hard for the client that you have closed. Okay, and
Yes.
get the testimonials for yourself. And it was a great time having this conversation for with you. So all the best, Surbi, and we'll keep meeting in the sessions.
Yeah,
So
thanks a lot, ma'am.
yeah, so bye, best of luck.
Bye.